Okay, so the first sample of our booklet for our British Values Assembly Pack is here. This is our free sample respect one that we printed out. So a word from the CEO, that's myself, a little bit about the assembly pack itself, educational outcomes of some of the resources and services that we provide for primary schools. This is to do with Key Stage 2 values, and this is actually about British values: respect, tolerance, rule of law, individual liberty, democracy. So these are some of the outcomes mapped to DFE, priorities. This is the actual poem that the kids read out, teacher's version there with some hints and tips. The pupils, this is photocopied by the way, so this is the main booklet you can use to photocopy these resources, so obviously you don't tear up the pages. So you photocopy this, cut out the couplets, you can see the sequence in which they're read in. You can obviously mix these up if they wish, but this is the starting sequence anyway that we recommend to start with, and obviously if you want to rewrite, change some of the words, it's totally up to you. But this is the pre-written resource that you can just pick up and utilize straight away for a little 5-minute assembly task. Pupils, 6 pupils, 2 lines each. If you did have some time to prepare, that would be better. Preparation prevents poor performance, as we say. Then they can cut out their couplets, hold them, or if they got time to practice, they'll probably learn their lines really quickly. You can have a series of 6 or 7 young people also holding posters, so each pupil has a letter to hold. So you got 6 pupils doing the poetry, still another 6 or 7 pupils holding the letters and some of the images that come with this particular respect assembly. So images for young people to see that are related to showing respect, that you can use in the assembly. And at the back here, just some of the ways in which we can support you in increased literacy engagement, and of course curricular attainment, because if children don't hear the word, they can't say the word, they can't say the word, they can't read the word, they can't read the word, they can't write the word. So it all starts from them hearing. And what you need to do once you've got this pack is just scan this, go to our website, download the actual PowerPoint or interactive PDF, which leads you to our Google slide, which has 3 recordings of this assembly. Each section of the British Values has 3 recordings. The first recording is where they listen to a poem. It's like a 90-second poem with visuals, with the words on there as well, so pupils can follow what's being said. And then the second assembly is where they repeat the lines, so it's a call and response poem about respect or whichever British value you're exploring. So they're saying the words after hearing the words. And then the third way they can deliver the assembly is you select a number of young pupils to do what I just said. So pick some readers, pick some poster holders, pick another young person who perhaps is quite loud, let's say. Maybe they can start off reading the actual proverb to do with respect. So yeah, lots of cultural enrichment, lots of literacy engagement, pre-produced resources to make this a lot quicker and simpler for teachers. Well, look, this is the first of many videos to come about some of our products that we've got. Oh, by the way, if you obviously want one of these, we can ship these off to you. These are going to be posted to schools. We've got a conference coming up on Monday, so the staff there as well, we're going to be distributing these out. So yeah, generally these are free. If you want to pick up a copy, just let me know. And you can purchase the full British Values Assembly Pack featuring the 5 British Values, each with 3 assemblies to vary the level of engagement, from listening to speaking to leading. Each comes with a pre-written poem plus assembly ready and colour in prep task poster bundles on each of the themes. Current price is £9.97. Please see the description for our introductory 50% discount coupon code. Thank you so much for listening. Bye for now.